Today we're very happy to announce Lovin Box, which is the next evolution of Lovin Dublin. Now, since we've started the site, we've tried to do things very differently. We really wanted to highlight Dublin restaurants, showcase brilliant local producers, and generally get people to know their city a little bit better. Now, what we've done today with Lovin Box is we want to put a little bit of Dublin into your hands every Wednesday. So what that means is Lovin Box. It's a small package of food that gets delivered to you that has got huge health benefits and that'll come from a different restaurant every single week. The idea really stemmed from not being able to find healthy foods, being stuck at our desks, being bored of the same lunch options every day in your local area, or maybe having no lunch options at all. So your box will be ordered on a Monday. You'll be able to see it getting made on social media and the products getting sourced on a Tuesday. It gets assembled on a Wednesday and you pick it up from one of 3 city centre locations. All you have to do is sign up now for the first Lovin Box, which will be coming on the 7th of April.